Hello everyone, welcome to winsights.com. In this video, we will check out how to enable Windows projected file system on Windows 11. To enable this feature, we will use run command and access optional features. In the run command, type the following command optional features and click OK. You can find this command in this video description and also on winsights.com. Now Windows features will open. Here you can find lot of optional features. Scroll down and locate Windows projected file system. Click on the checkbox next to it to enable it and finally click OK. Windows will now search for the required files and apply all the necessary changes. A restart now is highly recommended. However, as I am recording this video, I am clicking on Don't Restart. That's it. Windows projected file system is now enabled on your Windows 11.